दूसरी तरफ कर्नाटक के वजीर आला डी शिवकुमार ने जगदम्बिका पाल की हुबली और बीजापुर में किसानों से मुलाकात पर शदीद रद्दमल का इजहार किया है। डी शिवकुमार ने कहा, बीजेपी सियासी ड्रामे कर रही है। अराजी रियासती हुकूमत का मसला है, गैर जरूरी इसमें जेपीसी को घसीटा जा रहा है।
This is all a political drama. Since the election is there, they are no way connected. It is a state land, is a state subject. BJP themselves had started this in 2000, 2019. All they had given notices. Even in Dharwad also they had given notices. It is the continuation of that. But my government is committed. We will not change any record. We will all rectify it. We don't want to affect any farmers. This is all started by BJP and they are trying to put the blame on us. We don't mind. The JPC doesn't have any powers to enter. For their political purpose, they might have come. It is not an officially designated JPC.
Sir, will